Hey, this is Kyle from Davis 10 again, and I wanted to go over how the couplers work. The couplers would be something that somebody might want to get if they wanted to shorten specifically their rafters on their internal frame. The coupler is basically just a sleeve that's going to allow you to make a multi-piece rafter or ridge or whatever you wish, okay? So when you get the couplers, they're going to be $8 a piece, and they're going to come with basically the sleeve as well as the screw that's going to go through this hole, okay? Now to install them, you're going to make a mark about 5 inches in from the end, and you're going to take the side of the coupler with the hole and slide it up to that mark. So I've got a mark right about here. You're going to slide it up to the hole there, or to the mark, and then you're just going to take the screw that we give you, and it's a self-tapping screw with a Phillips head, and you're just going to screw it into that piece there. So that'll allow you to make a multi-piece rafter or ridge if you really want to, but these are mostly going to be used with rafters. And again, these are $8 a piece. And so for instance, if you had a 4-column frame, you're going to have 8 rafters, so you'd want to get 8 couplers. If you had a 5-column frame, you're going to have 10 rafters, you'd want to get 10 couplers, and so on and so forth. So again, if you have any questions, you can give us a call, 877-355-2267. Thanks.